Hello everybody, this is April, and I figured I would show you my little faux Midori I made for my daughter, because I made one the same for myself with the elastic. I used a really neat paper pad that I had purchased at Hobby Lobby, which I think I hauled that not too long ago, but it's the Pink Passport. Really cute. It was regularly $14.99, but then I got it half price. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, this is a elastic piece, which looks like this. It was Christmas, but you can get this also at Hobby Lobby in the ribbon department. And these stickers I got at the Dollar Tree, and I put a K for her initial. And you open it up, and I made credit card pouch, credit card slots up and down here. And I made a pocket on the inside. And this I made, it says, sometimes your joy is the source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy. And I gave her some stickers. A few different stickers. I'm trying to get her hooked into the planner community. And I purchased this at the Dollar Tree. And this was 2017, 2018 calendar, but I'm going to go ahead and just let her use the 2018 calendar so she can mark off her work days if she's out. I gave her some washi tape that I had from my stash. Here's some more credit card slots. 4 credit card slots, so it's 8 credit card slots in this whole book. Also too, here's another pocket that I made. And these are the stickers I gave her. These stickers I think I got at Michael's a while back. And these stickers, just functional stickers. And some more stickers. And then just a plain old 4x6 paper pad that I went ahead and laminated this. She's rough like I am. Laminated this, and then I just hooked it with washi tapes so she can switch them out. And I made this for her to keep inside of her planner. And then here's a vellum. Here I made another one from this collection. And another 4x6 plain paper. And the back side of the vellum. And then a K for her name. Now, this right here is a one piece that I had put in here. Oh yeah, and I got this huge gigantic paper clip. I liked it, and I gave it to her. And I plan on putting some charms on it over here for some bling, and I may make her a bookmark as well. So okay, I just wanted to share what I made. So okay, well, thanks for watching, and This was inspired by several YouTube that I watched. So if I remember, I will link them down below. Okay, well, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.